My name is Brianna. I'm Senior Director of Merchandise Planning within Supply Chain. Within Sephora, relationships are key. Everything that we do is a collaboration. The merchandise planners work with the demand planners and the allocation team to get the inventory to our DCs, get it to our stores so that our clients can purchase it. We also collaborate with our merchant partners and our brand partners. And without everyone's efforts, we wouldn't be able to get the product to the right stores to make sure the clients can get it. The people who are most successful are those who are self-starters. They have to have a curiosity for learning and have confidence in ideas. Even though we're a very analytical, numbers-driven group, we play in the gray area all the time. There's no black and white answer for what we do. I love working for Sephora because it challenges me to be my best every day. Everyone comes to the company with something, some skill set. Maybe they've never been in the workforce before, or maybe they have 15 years of experience elsewhere. But what I love is that no idea is a wrong idea or a bad idea, and people are celebrated for their diversity of thought and really encouraged to think outside of the box.